So I was going through TikTok and I saw this particular video. Let's take a look.
I have a $60,000 AI movie project and I'm looking for 2 professional AI movie animators to work on this project with me. I mentioned the price so you can understand that I'm looking for professionals, not just anybody. Professionals. Look at my movie standard, the movies I post. That is the grade I'm talking about. People that can animate as well as I do or even better than me. I'm not looking for anybody I can do it better than. Please, I don't want people that create AI movies where characters are changing, scenes are changing, voice are changing, or things are disappearing. Please. It's a professional standard movie for a client abroad. Like, it's a full movie. So I'm looking for professional AI movie animators for this short film. And if you're someone or you know someone, please recommend them.
So I decided to come check her profile. Let's see the kind of movie she posts. First of all, she has over 78,000 followers here on TikTok. So let's see. I'm going to click on one of the movies. Okay, this is actually insane. This is absolutely insane. These are all AI movies, and you can see how high quality these are. You can see how high quality they are. And as you can see, this particular movie here got over 900,000 views. This one got over 81,000. This one over 150,000 views, which means that there's a lot of potential inside AI movies. And me, as a sharp guy that likes money, so today I want to try to create AI movies, Nollywood AI movies for myself. Okay, so let's create this and let's see how we can turn this into a side hustle. Welcome to my channel. Here I talk about different side hustles. If you want to get more content from me, like the video, share the video, do want to subscribe for more videos from me, and do want to comment where you're watching from in the comment section. So I want us to create this together step by step. The first thing we are going to do is for us to create a storyboard, for us to create a character board, all angles of your character on a board, so that the AI will not misunderstand or confuse your character or change your character's face. This is for consistency. How can we achieve this? First of all, we need to get a master prompt. Come to ChatGPT. Now I have this particular profile here in my ChatGPT that I use to get master prompt. This is a master prompt right here. If I paste it into a new chart, it's going to help me boost my workflows. You optimize prompt. You are a world-class Nollywood film director, storyboard artist. Can see this. Now if you need this prompt, you let me know. Make sure you join my community. Make sure you indicate that you want the storyboard prompt. Then I'm going to drop it for you. I copied this prompt. I created a new chart, pasted the prompt right here. You can see you are a world-class Nollywood filmmaker. The AI recognized the prompt and you can see what it says. So after I pasted that prompt, what I did was that I gave the AI my topic. It gave me characters to generate. You can see this is my character description. Give me my second character description. Give me my the next character description. Right here, supporting characters. You can see this other one too, and this is the location board. Now why is it giving me all this? Let me show you why. So once I got all those description, I open a new chat inside ChatGPT, paste the prompt, told it to create this in a board form. I can see create a whiteboard with my character in it. No text, just the character on the board, different angles. This is what I got for my character. You can see that this is why you need a board, so that this is my character in front, my character behind, or my character by the side, my character behind, my character sideways, my character has different angle when she smiles, when she's frowning, when she's happy, so that the AI will understand that, okay, you have a character, and anytime I want you to generate something, it's not going to change the face or the posture. Another thing I got right here was the location. So the location right here has already been designed in a storyboard too. The next thing to do right here is for me to start generating my images. So what I did was I came back here and I asked it to give me a prompt to start generating the frames, okay, or to start generating the scene. I generated each of the images. I generated the images one after the other. One thing I like about ChatGPT's image is that there's no watermark, physical watermark on the image. You can see right here. So this scene requires my main character, the male, and a location in the restaurant. So I pasted the prompt and this is what I got. If I zoom in, you can see their faces. Is so realistic and clean. You can see how neat they are. That's one thing I like about these images. So if I scroll down and can see I got all these ones too. Let's come back to this other page. I start asking ChatGPT to give me video prompt for me to animate these particular videos. Okay, so now once it gives me the video prompt, what I did right here is that I copy the video prompt. I use another AI called Google Flow. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this prompt and let's go check it out. Once you come to Google Flow, all what you have to do, create your account, use your Google account to sign up. After that, just come here and click on new project. Okay, just click on new project right here. Put this on desktop mode. I'm going to click on this video bar. Then I'm going to change our video ratio to this. I'm using Gemini omini flash right here, and let's put this on frames right here. And I think this is 8 seconds. We are good to go. First of all, let me come here and get the image. Okay, so let me click on the start frame, and let me come here and upload the image. So I'm going to come here and click on upload image. Now always make sure you pick the correct image or the right image. So this is our image right here. Let me just go ahead and select the image, and you can see right there. And let me come here and paste in that prompt. Let me just go ahead and click on generate right here. It's going to take a while for this to generate. Remember, we still have like I think 4 more scenes to generate. This is just how I was able to get to this particular position. I got my master prompt from ChatGPT. I got my bot, my character bot, my location bot, and then I got my prompt to put them in the scenes based on the story. Then I got my video prompt to animate it inside Google Flow. So let's see how this goes. Let me click on the play. So we were able to get something out of this, but I think it's not really as good as what I'm actually expecting. But I think it's something we can actually manage right here, which means we have to go and cut it. Another thing I notice here is that you have to give it the dialogue you want it to say. You have to give it the exact dialogue. If you leave the dialogue to ChatGPT, I'm afraid you're not going to get exactly what you were supposed to get. That's the truth too. If you leave the dialogue for ChatGPT, ChatGPT will give you any kind of dialogue. So you can write a story, or you can write a story, or you can write their conversation. Write it. Don't forget, always make sure to put the image first before you put the prompt. So let me click on generate right here. So let's see. Okay, so I think our second video is generating, so it's going to take some time. Because of time, I'm going to skip some of the part. All right, now we have actually imported everything inside InShot, as you can see right here. Now the next thing is for us to track it and cut it. Let's cut out some of the parts that are not good. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, this is the opening, guys. So I'm actually done cutting out some of the parts. Now I know some of you will say, okay, what of the watermark? You can decide to trim the video based on where you want to post it or cover it with something. If you have a software to remove this watermark, you can go ahead and remove the watermark. So that is what you should do, or use another video generator that will not add watermark like Grok if you have money to pay for Grok. Let me go ahead and play this. Let's see how this looks like.
Good evening. I'm glad we could finally meet.
Good evening. It's nice to finally meet you too.
What would you like to order this evening?
I'll have the grilled lobster and the seafood platter. Oh, and the creamy pasta too. Please add the steak as well.
I'll just have bottled water, thank you.
This meal is really good.
Enjoy your meal. Sir, whenever you're ready. Thank you.
This seafood is amazing.
Excuse me for a minute. I'll be right back.
Sure.
You you can see how that goes. So they came to the restaurant for a date, and she came and ordered a lot of food, and the bill exceeded the guy's expectation, and he left her in the restaurant. Okay, so that is how the story goes, but it's not complete because this is just the first episode. So after you're done with everything, just call me and export it at 30 frames per second. I can use 1080p to export it, and that's it. Now, how can you earn money from this? It's very, very simple. Now, a lot of people posting movies on Facebook like this. They are posting a lot of AI movies on Facebook, not just Facebook, even on YouTube, and they are monetizing this particular content. They are having millions and millions of views. So after you have your videos like this, all what you have to do, create a Facebook page and start posting this, or create a foreign TikTok account, create a UK TikTok account or US TikTok account and start posting this, and then you monetize your page. You can also post this on YouTube, but you're going to put a lot of effort. If not, YouTube might remove it for authentic content or something else. So this is how you earn. And also, if you sharpen your skill enough, just like that woman said, you could be hired by companies, brands to come and create AI videos for them if you sharpen your skill well enough. So AI movies in 2026 is a real thing, and it's a skill that you can learn. So tell me what you think about this in the comment section.